In this video, I want to show you how to save a model in ArcGIS Pro. When you create your model in ArcGIS Pro, you need to save it. If you don't save it and you close the page, you may lose the model. Now, for example, let me create a model and show you how to save it appropriately. So come to analysis, and here you can see model builder. So let me create a model by clicking on model builder. Yes, a model has been created. A blank model has been opened for me. And for us to verify it, and in case you want to even label it, come to view and click on catalog pane. This will open the catalog pane, and under two boxes you can see the model we just created. If for example we want to rename it or label it, so you need to right click and come to properties. When it's open, you can give it a specific name. Let's call it tutorial model, for example. Then the label, you can name it also as tutorial model, for example. And here you can see the current model property changes will be applied upon save. So click on OK. If you click on OK, the label will be changed, but here is still model because you have not saved it. Now to save your model, come to this model builder here, click on it, and underneath you will see save. Once you click on save, the model will be saved, and you can see that it has changed to the name we gave to it. So saving your model, you need to come to model builder and you will see the icon of save, and save, click on it to save it. So this is the quickest way of saving your model in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.